In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Brevo email template. This is a helpful skill when you need the raw HTML version of a template for sharing with the developer, storing a backup, or moving the design into another system that accepts HTML. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, find Marketing, then click Campaigns. This section is where Brevo keeps your campaign tools, including email content and templates, so it is the right place to start. Once you are in Campaigns, select Email. This narrows the view to email-specific options, which makes it easier to find the templates you have already created. Give the page a moment to load fully so all tabs and lists appear correctly. Next, click the Templates tab. This area contains your saved email templates, including drafts and any reusable designs you have built for future campaigns. Take a second to locate the exact template you want to export. If you have many templates, scroll carefully and confirm the template name so you do not export the wrong one. When you find the right template, click More, which is shown as 3 dots on the same row as your template. This opens a small menu with additional actions. From that menu, select Share Template as HTML. This option prepares an HTML version of your template that can be shared or downloaded depending on your account setup and browser behavior. After selecting Share Template as HTML, Brevo will ask you to confirm the action. Click Confirm. This final click tells Brevo to generate the shareable HTML output. If a new window or download prompt appears, follow your browser's normal behavior to view or save the file. For best results, keep the exported HTML in a safe folder and label it clearly with the template name and date, so you can find it later. And that is all there is to it.